Hi, this is a new listing out at Hawks Preserve. This is a just under 2,400 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 3 full bath with a lake view. It's a beautiful home built in 2007. I'd like to show you around a little bit. We'll get started. Right when you walk in the front door, just to the left is the formal dining. And to the right is the great room, which is a really nice sized great room. And we'll see that in a second, but we're going to pass through right here where the guest bedrooms are at. There's 3 guest bedrooms. Very nice large windows, lets a lot of natural light through. Love that. This is one of the guest baths, which is a pass-through. It's connected to 2 bathrooms. It's a full bath. Shower and tub there. Vanity. We'll walk through that. Again, another very nice sized window. A little bit of a lake view right there. We'll walk out this door. And at this intersection to the right is the kitchen living room. Straight ahead is the third or the second guest bath. This is actually a pool bath door. It's a door out to the lanai. There's no pool, but you could put one in easily enough. And then the third guest bedroom. This is on the back side of the house. So you've got the big window with a nice big lake view. Hope you can see that with the video. And then we're going to come out here. Little eat-in kitchen area. Kitchen's a very nice, spacious granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Really nice kitchen, nice sized kitchen. Breakfast bar here. The great room itself from this angle. The laundry's right there, and then passing through the laundry is the garage. Sliders out to the lanai, which we'll go there in a second. This is the master suite. This is a tile that looks like wood. This is really a nice sized bedroom. Big window. Sliders out to the lanai. A lot of great view from here. And this is the ensuite bath. Walk-in closets just to the left, regular closet to the right. This one has dual sinks, a full shower, separate soaking tub. Ooh, it's so bright in here. The linen closet right there is extra large. I'm not going to open it up for time, but it's more spacious than you typically see. Again, other view of the master. Another view of the great room and kitchen. And we're going to go outside real quick here. It's a squeaky wheel. Nice and relaxing views back here of the lake. There's actually a lake in the front of the house as well. But this is the view that you typically enjoy. We'll go out here in a second. One little house over here, nothing over here. So it truly is a nice, peaceful, relaxing view. Oh, 3-stall garage as well, in addition to the 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Neighbors have a little fence here. So that's that. Give me a call if you have any questions. And this is David Lang with Keller Williams, the Lang team, and I'm at 239-677-8780. Have a great day. Take care.